First thing is, what is success? That's the first thing. Success is measured in levels. Success is not having money. Success is not having children. Success is not having plenty cars. Success is measured in levels. For example, if I am a primary school child, I keep coming out first until I get to primary 6. That's success at that level. If me as a person that was abandoned in the backside of civilization end up like this now, this is success at my level. From the way you spoke now, you are a sound and educated person. I don't know where you are coming from, but I can categorically tell that you have people in your time, in your age, that you came up together that are not in any way close to where you are now. You are a success at your level. So success is not the guy that has built 3 hotels. No. As compared to what? What are you comparing it to? So you cannot compare me to you or you to me to judge success. Success is personal. Where are you supposed to go in life? What are you expected to do in life? Are you on that journey? And in that journey, are you hitting the goals little by little? That's why when you know these things, nobody can pressure you. I'm 37 now, for example. Nobody close to me can dare tell me when I get married. They know they can't try that. Because I've defined it to them many times. That's not what I'm thinking. You are not going to marry somebody's daughter and come and suffer them. And I'm not going to raise kids that will be poor the way I used to be. No, is it money you are looking for? No. I have money already. I am looking for a wife that I can put what is inside of me into her. And I can rest. I know my kids will be raised well. Until I see that type of woman, I'm willing to stay single forever. I'm not going to bring kids that I'll be fighting against later. So if you are going to rate me based on marriage that I'm not a success, that's your own cup of tea. Not be first to start and first to finish with they do. Everybody get what in the pursue. Person when dog they pursue and person when lion they pursue, not be the same race that they run. There are people that I know years ago. I was the smartest in my class. What they are doing now, not go smear their back. They are doing bigger things, way bigger things. So am I not going to say they are success and I'm a failure? Never. Person won't build skyscraper, 24-story building. And person won't build bungalow, not be the same foundation that they dig. Person won't build bungalow, go don't finish foundation, build finish, roof finish, paint house, they don't even rent house, give tenants. Person won't build skyscraper, still they dig. You need like 6 of that bungalow to be a foundation before you start coming out of the ground. So success is measured in stages. So looking at where I was coming from, my grandma knew that I was so eager to be successful. So she told me, because I was then in the village, we have a lot of rugged boys. And I was 9 years, 10 years, 11 years old. So she told me, say, boy, you see all these guys when they smoke Igbo, not smoke. You know, in Delta State, we plant Igbo now. They take Igbo, they cook beans, they chop everything. Now why we rugged? Now why would they shy and steady? So say, don't smoke this, you can use it to cook. Don't smoke it. I think say you want to make money. I say yes. Hey, you want to buy that kind of car? Did that? I say yes. If you smoke this thing, it will spoil your life. I say, hey. I say, you see, you come to show me people when not they do well. Bros, you say, see that one? He went to school, came back, he said, don't do it. I said, okay. So as a young boy, a teenager, my grandma was telling me that because she was the one I was always asking, I want to be successful. What do I need to do? She was the one that told me that to be successful, I need to do farm work. But she deceived me because she wanted me to be doing our farm work. So, but it was good. It was good deceiving because now I know about farm work. So I was doing farm work. And I came back one day and said, Ma, I've never seen any farmer that is rich. So, are you sure it's this farm work? She's not saying, no, but the farm work we had, that's okay, mommy. I said, yeah, tell me the truth. What else can I do? You know, so she now told me, she kept telling me at stages. Do you understand? So success is in stages. There are people that I know that smoke well. Like, whether na SKO, whether na anyone, they're all right. You can never know they smoke. They are big shots. You know why? It has been programmed since they were teenagers. But now they're not educated, they have money, so they know how to coordinate it. They do it in their house. I remember in those days when I go and meet some bros, I go like, shit, they have a corner in their house. It's only for that kind of thing. Their children must not see it. No. Their wife knows, but their children, their wife know the timing. Don't bring in my child here. So they will do, as I say, bros, they will finish and they will come out and they are all right. They can't change now. They've done it for more than 20-something years. Do you understand? And they cannot let others know apart from their inner caucus. So it's not a judgmental thing. It's not something used to hold somebody, say, hey, you they smoke, you they drink, you they womanize. There are people that are womanizing or that are womanized. Now, they are more on point than people that never womanized. In fact, let me say the one that you understand. Have you not seen women that were virgin all through? Last they marry, finish, they're not born picking. And person when they promiscuous, all now don't born 3 children. They leave marriage, they were. Runs gay, they all right for marriage. And the one will be virgin, she never married. Do you understand? So it's not a yardstick at all. It's not a yardstick. It's not a yardstick. It's not a yardstick. So I've kept myself. Now for yourself, not a yardstick. Yeah, for yourself. All right. Did I answer well? Do you have some questions? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Do you have a question? All right, there's a question.